This video is about Teachers Report Assistant. To get the freeware, you can go to raiselearning.com or you can download it from CNET. Just do your search as Teachers Report Assistant. It's very easy to download. Here at Teachers Report Assistant, go down on the right, you will see it here. And here you will see what you need to have it. Unfortunately, I don't think it works on Apple at all, but you can just run soft Windows or Windows on your Apple. So that makes it easy. So just download the Teacher's Report Assistant. It's very easy to download and install, so I'm not going to do that part. So this is what it looks like when it's opened. This is all my stuff that I've done. I'm going to go through some of the operations. First, you want to learn about the tools and your program options. Here is how many comment boxes. This along here is your comment boxes. So you choose the number of comment boxes you want to make, and then you can write the titles to your comment boxes. Auto jump feature I will show you later, but you want it turned on. And minimize means make it small. Do you want it to jump to the top or down to the taskbar at the bottom of your screen? Probably the taskbar. Always on top means that the software will always be on top of everything. So if you open other software, the Teacher's Report Assistant will still be on top. So do not choose this. Single-sex class means if you only have boy classes or girls classes. Extra space between sentences is because some people, they like to put 2 spaces between each sentence. So you would choose that. So let's take a look up here now. This is your comment bars. I have opening, participation, behavior, and so on across. The next part we want to learn about is down here on the right. This is the student's name, whether the student is a boy or a girl, and this is your legend, your keys. Very important, because if you use the symbol, the hashtag, it means it's a person's name. Pupil is England for student. If you want to use his or her, he or she, him or her. Also, if you're using reflectives like himself, herself, you would just use this and then just write self right afterwards. The width, minimize, we're not going to worry about that, but here is edit comments. And this here, with the edit comments, once I click it, the report box at the bottom disappears. This is important because if you notice you made a little mistake here, you can click on it and fix your spelling. When you're ready to make reports, you click Make Reports. Now here's the interesting part. You can go up to Tools and here, Load Names. So if you have your classes ready on a Word document, here is my 5D class. I just highlight all my students. I copy and paste. If you don't know, that's press Control-C is copy. Go back to the Teacher's Report Assistant. Here, you type here, load names, and you paste them down here. So now I have all my students ready right there. So I'm ready to start making a report, and I'll teach you how now. So I choose Alan, and he's a boy. So what do I want to say about Alan? Well, he's a little quiet in class. Now you notice it jumped right away to participation. That is the auto jump, so it automatically goes to the next column. So I say here, he makes a strong effort to participate in class. He shows proper manners in class. And then the closing, he's on the right track and should improve. So now I have it all ready. I've already finished the first comment. So now I press Control A, oops, down here, Control A, which means I select everything. If I press Control X, that way I cut it and it's gone for the next one. Now I just bring it to comments. I drop Alan's comments in and I'm ready to do the next. And I'll show you how fast it will work. If I want next, I want to do Evan. So I go to the opening and I just do this. There, I'm done Evans. That's how fast I can make comments with the Teacher's Report Assistant. The part we haven't done yet is how to make all of these comments. So I want to edit comments here. And say you're starting from scratch. You start making the comments. So I have my opening comments. I want to use the pupil's name all the time. And then I say, has done well in my class. And then I keep going on and I make as many comments as I want. And when I'm done making all my comments, then I want to save it. You want to save it to somewhere where you always know where it is. And that's it. Teacher's Report Assistant is very, very simple to use, and it's very easy. Anyone who works with me, you guys know who you are. I also have a 22-page document with 22 pages of comments already preset. All of my training videos and other videos that I put up and other documents that I put up are all available here at teacherjohnstraining.blogspot.com. If you leave me comments or leave me a message of any kind, if you want to learn something or you're interested in something that I've done or just want to say thank you, then drop me a comment. Thank you very much.